Need emergency plumbing services? Call Mr. Ritter Plumbing to get help fast. Our plumbers serve residential homes and commercial buildings to fix a wide variety of time-sensitive problems, including burst pipes, severe drain clogs, sewer system backups, and more. We'll arrive promptly, identify the problem, tell you how we'll fix it, and give you upfront pricing options before we begin our work. With 24-hour customer support, our qualified service professionals are available for emergency plumbing services.